Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to change font size in Xiaomi 11i and Xiaomi 11i Hypercharge smartphones. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to open the settings. Then you need to go display. Then swipe up. Then you can find the option called text size. You need to click that. Now there is a tab available for font size changing. You can change the font size to S, L, XL and XSL, double XL. So if you want to change the L, you need to change the tab. Then come back. The font will be changed into the big size. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you.